Hi, so this is the Budget Planner app, and the developers behind the app are Ferris Wald, Angelica Segovia, Giovanni Search, uh, and the purpose of the app is to allow people to plan how they're going to spend their income. The intended audience are people who are inexperienced in how to distribute their money in a responsible way. It is a basic tool for budgeting money. So the tools that are utilized in this app are first were the block code provided by MIT App Inventor 2, as well as a chart maker extension by Kate Manning, Emily Kager, and Ellen Spurtis. So the way the app works is very simple. First, you plug in an income. Let's say, for example, you have an income of $200. Next, you plug in a percent for each category. Let's say you want to dedicate 50% to food, 25 to gas, 25 to bills, and 50 for other. 50 for other. And you press calculate. Obviously, there's an error which was programmed into the app. The error shows that you did not put in 150%. You did not put in 100%. So to fix that, let's change this to, let's say, 0. Let's change this to 25, 25, and 25, and press calculate. So in all, your total is 100%, and the column to your right represents the amount of money you're going to put for each. If you change this, for example, to 24, and let's make this 26, and press calculate, it changes overall. So if you want to visualize this number, you just press the generate graph function, and a pie chart is created representing each function. And you just click on it to see that you put 26% for other, or 25% for gas, and so on and so on. But what if you want to inverse it, where you put in the food amount and it gives you the percentage? You press the inverse button, and this usually takes a little while. Just need to wait. And now let's say you just put an income of $200, and let's say you want to dedicate $75 to food, 25 to gas, and 22 for bills, and 78 for other, and click to calculate. This produces the amount of percent you want to put for each section. Like you want to spend 11% for bills, and so on and so on. If you change this to 76, an error message. If you press click to calculate, an error message appears where you have more money placed than your total income, and you just fix it by changing it back. So if you want to generate the graph, click calculate and then press generate graph, and in the end your graph is calculated, and it's pretty similar. You just press each section, determine how much you put for each. Like you want to spend 37.5% for food, for example, and it just allows you to visually see how you're using your money. Thanks again for listening to this demo.